Hello everyone and welcome guys to this video. Today guys I will show you how to register on c3pay online. So guys, what you have to do, download the app. This first step you can do. After download your app guys, all you have to do, click on open your app, click on c3pay. After that guys, all you have to do, click on register here account, and from here if you have a c3pay card, click on ready. After that, choose any card that you have guys. If you have this card guys, if you have a card, black card or other card, and select one, and then enter your 16-digit card number and then your CVV code. And then after that guys, all you have to do, provide your mobile number verification. This is the first step. Provide your mobile number guys, and this is the first step. The step 2 guys, all you have to do, create a password, create a strong password, and this is the way, and then provide your email ID and password and capture your clear selfie. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. Any question down below in the comment. If you have just c3pay card, click I'm ready and select your type of card, and then add your codes PIN and complete steps. Thanks guys for watching this video. See you on another video soon.